Okay guys, let us start this. Today our question is JEE Advanced 2025 Mathematics question. The question is like this: let R denote a set of all numbers. That means our set of numbers is a real number, and let AI, BI belong to R for I belongs to 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we are dealing with a real number. So we are giving three functions which are defined as follows. Function is from real to real, that means the function f has a domain R and its range is R. Function g, its domain is R and it is defined for all R and its range is R. And function h also, it is defined for the domain of R, giving us a range which is in the R. So f of x is given as a1 10x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus x4. That means it is a polynomial with degree 4. Okay, this is our f of x. And g of x is given as b1 3x b2 x square b3 x cube plus x4. That means f of x and g of x are 4th degree polynomials defined for all real numbers. Also, we have been given h of x, which is defined as, it is also a function. It is also a function whose range, whose domain is in all the real numbers. So it is defined as f of x plus 1 minus g of x plus 2. That means our h of x, we will get it h of x from where? By subtracting f of x plus g of x plus 2 from f of x plus 1. This is what we are given. So we have three functions: f of x, g of x, h of x. Also, we have been given that हमें दिया गया है f of x is not equal to g of x for every x belonging to R. That for every value of x which f of x takes, g of x, it is not equal to g of x. Our question is then the coefficient of x square in h of x is. So this is our problem. We have to get the x cube. We have to get the coefficient of x cube in h of x. Right. ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है कि हमको h of x में x cube की कोफिशिएंट निकालनी है. So हमारे ऑप्शंस दिए हैं 8, 2, -4 and 6. I have given it is a -4. Let us see कैसे निकालते हैं. ये अच्छा प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत ईजी है if you understand it. अगर आप इसको समझेंगे तो it is very easy. So we have to find the coefficient of x cube in h of x, right? So now h of x is defined as h of x, f of x plus 1 minus g of x plus 2. So f of x we are given like this. So थोड़ा हम इसको rearrange करके standard form में लाएंगे. x4 this, right? g of x also we can write it as like this, writing in a standard form. So f of x plus 1 will be just substituting x plus 1 in f of x. So हमको ये मिल गया, ठीक है? और g of x plus 2 substituting x plus 2 in g of x, we are getting this. Now what is our h of x? This is f of x plus 1 minus g of x plus 2. If we subtract it, we get this, right? So now our question is, we are giving, now we have this polynomial, this h of x. This is our h of x, which is this whole thing. We have to find the coefficient of x cube in this polynomial. We have to find the coefficient of x cube. Where from the x cube will come? It will come from this term. It will come from this term. It will come from this term because it is a cubic. It will come from this term. It is a cubic. From these terms, it will not be there. जो हमारा जो x cube का कोई कोफिशिएंट है, इसलिए we can neglect these terms in our h of x because we have to calculate the coefficient of x cube in h of x. Now our h of x is this. So from here we can calculate easily. यहाँ से हम x cube का कोफिशिएंट निकाल सकते हैं. Binomial expansion है. We don't have any issues because it will be x cube. So कोफिशिएंट तो आ ही जाएगा. यहाँ से भी कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x cube आ जाएगा. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम हमारा यहाँ पे है बिकॉज जो जब हम इस x plus 1 whole cube को एक्सपेंड करेंगे तो we will be getting x cube into a3 and here we will be getting x cube into b3. as long as जब तक हमको ये a cube और b cube पता नहीं है, we cannot calculate the coefficient of x cube in h of x. यहाँ से तो पता चला, यहाँ से हम पता नहीं करेंगे. So this is our problem. So these terms now for the further of the question we can neglect it. So this is not an issue. We got it. हमें पता है यहाँ से हम निकाल पाएंगे. अब इसका क्या करेंगे? इसके लिए हम we will use the condition given that f of x is not equal to g of x for all x. That means कि f of x minus g of x is not equal to 0. If we subtract g of x from f of x. Look here, if we subtract g of x from f of x, this is our g of x from f of x. So this and this will go, this is minus, so this will be our a cube minus b cube x cube here. So we will get a polynomial with degree 3, a cube minus b cube x cube. We know that any polynomial of degree 3 has a 0, or any polynomial equation of a degree 3 has at least one real root. But he is saying that f of x minus g of x, what we are getting, that polynomial is not equal to 0. That is, it's not having a real root. That means it can only happen when a3 is equal to b3, so that our x cube term goes, so we get a quadratic polynomial. So that means since is not cubic, so that means a3 is equal to b3. a3 should be equal to b3. This is the main thing what we are getting from this question. This is where you will get stuck. So if a3 is equal to b3, so in our polynomial where we have to find the coefficient of x cube, a3 is equal to b3, then this term minus this term will go. So this, the coefficient, whatever coefficient of x cube, we will not get coefficient of x cube from this term, because a3 is equal to b3 and this will go. So our coefficient will now come from only these two terms. So this can be easily found by the binomial expansion, x plus 1, 4 and this. So this is 4x cube minus this. So you can get it as minus 4. Hope this answered your question.